What's up, guys? You're watching another video. Today, when you guys are watching this, it's actually my birthday. My 25th birthday, bro. Oh my God, I'm getting old. I know a lot of you guys think I'm younger. I actually get that a lot. Everyone thinks I'm like younger, 18 or something like that. But I'm 25, bro, today. It's actually tomorrow for me. It's March 25th, which is crazy. It's my 25th birthday on the 25th. Isn't it like a golden year or something like that? Hopefully some good things come this year. But yeah, guys, it's my birthday today, the day you guys are watching this. And we have a lot of important things I want to mention. First and foremost, like always, every single year for my birthday, I do a huge sale on my website, shopfindingnick.com. If you guys want to go cop some merch, I'm going to do a huge sale for you guys. As always, we do a huge discount code for my age. Since I'm turning 25, we're going to do 25% off the entire website. All you got to do is at checkout, use code GTR. That's the code, GTR. It'll give you 25% off the entire website. Still got a ton of these new hoodies. I'll put them on the screen right here. We got a shirt design and a hoodie design. The reason why is because, guys, I'm gonna be honest, they messed up the order when I ordered the new merch. Look how many t-shirts I have left. It's kind of sad. I have a lot of t-shirts left. So they printed way too many. We weren't supposed to order this many, but we did. A ton of mediums, a ton of larges, a couple smalls. We still have a little bit of hoodies, but mainly the t-shirts, guys, I'm gonna drop the price very, very cheap for you guys, as cheap as I possibly can. And then you guys can add the 25% off on top of that, and I'll make the shirts really, really cheap for you guys. I just need to get rid of them. And I want to make them affordable so everyone could rock them at the car meets and stuff like that. This is probably one of my favorite designs. It has all my cars on it. And yeah, guys, if you guys want to do one birthday gift for me, go cop the merch. That's all I want for my birthday. Go cop some merch. Use code GTR at checkout and I'll give you guys 25% off the entire order. These are actually the OG E92 stickers, if you guys remember, like the very first stickers I made. I'm pretty sure there's probably like maybe 20 here. The first 20 orders that purchase something today, I'll throw in a free sticker for you guys. So make sure you guys go down below, cop something from the merch drop, and use code GTR checkout. I'll give you 25% off and a free sticker if you guys are fast enough. Also, another very important thing which I'm most excited about is Sunday, March 27th. I'm gonna host a huge car cruise up Azusa Canyon. You guys have seen this canyon in all my vlogs. We do all the point of view videos here, but I think it would be awesome to invite all of you guys to come on a cruise with me on my birthday. My birthday's on Friday, but we're gonna make it a birthday cruise on Sunday. So I need everyone to pull up, guys. Everyone is welcome. I don't know how many people are gonna show up. I don't know how big it's gonna be, but let's try to make it a big turnout. I'm super excited. I want everyone to drive safe because it's a canyon, so be careful. But I'm gonna leave all the info right here. I believe the meetup spot is a Taco Bell. It's a big parking lot, maybe enough for all of us to fit, hopefully. I'll leave the address right here. Sunday, March 27th at 12 p.m. at noon. That's what time we're meeting up. I want all you guys to pull up, guys. Everybody pull up. I'm probably gonna bring the GTR out. We'll try to do some cool photo shoots or something. Just hang out up there, do a cool cruise at the top, and then cruise down to the bottom. Cool little birthday cruise. But yeah, guys, March 27th at 12 p.m. noon. Do not forget, we're doing a birthday cruise. Everybody come out. I think Azusa Canyon will be cool. There's a lot of room and there's not that many cops. Hopefully we don't get pulled over and stuff. All right, let's pull the GTR inside. I left it outside last night. Poor car, so dirty. Put it back in its home. If it starts. Barely. Yeah, guys, we'll pull up in the GTR to the car event. All right. Also, guys, I want to tell you this funny story that happened this morning. Oh, it was so funny. I wish I recorded it, but I didn't record it. I didn't have my camera, guys. So this morning I woke up super early to take these photos right here. It was for the thumbnail of the exhaust video that I posted. I just went up the block. I didn't go far. I didn't bring my vlog camera because I didn't think anything was gonna happen. But guys, a cop pulled up next to the Z and I was so freaking scared. He's in his car next to me, right? We're parked right next to each other at the light. I was shitting bricks, bro. I was so scared. I know the exhaust sounds a little quieter now, but I mean, you guys see the condition of the car. The Z just looks like a takeover or a street racer to cops, you know what I mean? Look at this. I was so scared, bro. And then we had this big old exhaust hanging out the back. But anyways, the cop pulled up next to me. He tells me, roll down your window. He's in his car, but he's going like this, like roll down your window. So I roll down my window. I'm talking to him. He didn't get out of his car. He just tells me to roll it down. So I roll down my window. We're sitting at the light side by side. And the first thing he says is, what kind of exhaust you got on that car? And I was like, I'm not sure, to be honest. I didn't know what to say, bro. I was like, I don't know. I just bought the car like last month. It's a piece of crap. This car is horrible. I have so much stuff to do to it to make it nice, and I'm gonna flip it and sell it, make some money. I just started bullshitting a whole entire story to him, right? And guys, guess what he told me? After I was so scared telling him this whole bullshit story about the exhaust, that I don't know what exhaust I has on the car, he was like, it sounds good, bro. And that was it. And he drove off, dude. You guys don't understand how bad I wish I filmed it, because it was such a cool reaction from a cop. He was a younger cop too, so he wasn't like an old dude that's all mad and hates cars, which is awesome, bro. Honestly, I would have rather got pulled over by him so I could have pulled my phone out real quick and filmed the whole entire conversation. But like I said, we just pulled up at the light and I didn't expect anything of it. I didn't think he was gonna tell me to roll my window down. But yeah, guys, that's what happened. I pulled up to the light. He was next to me. He told me to roll my window down. He asked what exhaust is on the car. Then he was like, it sounds good, bro. That's all he said. I was crazy. I was so scared, bro. I thought I was gonna get a ticket. I was like, already, bro? The second day with the exhaust and I get pulled over? But yeah, I guess there is some cool cops out there. So funny, guys. I was just like, yeah, I don't know what exhaust it has on it. I bought the car like this. And I just kept telling him, it's a piece of shit, bro. You see it. Like, it needs a lot of work. And I'm just trying to flip it and make some money. I'm always trying to make up some weird stories, dude, to get out of tickets. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. All right, we got the GoPro on. I asked you guys on Instagram to ask me some questions. Just some questions to answer, maybe a little Q&A. I also want to show you guys more of the exhaust sound. So we're gonna do a little point of view drive real quick, just with the new exhaust. This car is so much fun to drive. And then, like I said, answer some questions that you guys asked me on Instagram. Look, we already got a few questions. I just posted it. Look at Emily. Who's better than Emily? Nobody, Emily, okay? Maybe an Aventador SVJ. Just kidding. All right, you guys know the drill. Since we haven't bought a starter yet. Woo! Look how quiet it is, bro. It's so much better. It's not raspy. Remember how loud and raspy the last exhaust was? This is a cold start and it sounds clean. I really got shorts on and a hoodie. And it's like 90 degrees out right now, guys. It's so hot, but the reason I'm wearing the hoodie is because I don't want the sun to touch my tattoo. Look how much it's peeling. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's peeling nasty, bro. It's in like the peeling phase, the healing phase. Also, I think Hugo's coming down here for my birthday, guys. Not sure if he's gonna stay till Sunday, but if he could, that'd be awesome, so we can go on the cruise. This is a good question. What was your first high school job, or in general, and how you got into the car scene? You guys are probably gonna laugh at this, but my first job, probably my only job too, besides like YouTube and stuff now, a security guard, bro. I was a security guard at this warehouse. It was, I don't know what little Nick's gonna do if someone tries to break in, but I was a security guard. It was a super easy job. And I'm not gonna lie, it helped me out a lot, guys, because I would work night shifts, like graveyard shifts. It would be from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. So all night, guys. A lot of you guys don't even know this, but it was when I was first starting YouTube. The reason why it benefited me is because I was able to film vlogs in the daytime, and then at work, I would be able to sneak my computer in there and edit a vlog. So I was literally on the grind, bro. I was working all day filming YouTube videos, and at night editing the videos at work as a security guard. I would sneak my computer in there and edit. But that's how my YouTube channel grew, you know? I was making money doing the security guard stuff, but I was also trying to persuade like my YouTube career dream, you know what I mean? And like, I don't regret it. It kind of sucked being a security guard. You guys are probably all gonna laugh at that. That's the first time I ever told you guys that. I'm gonna turn around because this street is horrible. I don't even want to go up this street, bro. Hey guys, that job was horrible. It sucked. 6 to 6. It was 12-hour shifts all night. This shit was horrible. I would get off at 6 in the morning, just so tired. How did you meet Emily? Should we answer this one? Funny story, bro. Probably the only good thing that came out of my last business. Emily actually knew my old business partner. They went to high school together. He showed me her one day and I was like, oh my God, who is that, bro? And yeah, that's how I met her, guys. That business costed me a lot of time and money. Oh, it felt like nothing good came out of that business. But I would have never met Emily if I never went into business with my business partner and met her from him. It's crazy, bro. That's how I met her. I messaged her on Instagram. I remember she curved me, bro. Not really curved me, but I put hard eyes on her Instagram story and she just liked it. She didn't even reply, bro. She didn't say thank you, nothing. I was hella sad, bro. I was about to unfollow her. I was like, wow, she's one of those girls, huh? But eventually she started sliding into my DMs later on. We ended up meeting in person. And yeah, ever since then, I don't know, we just pretty much clicked. So at least something good came out of that business. Are you gonna keep the GTR when you get an R8? I would love to keep both. Like, how sick would that garage be, guys? An R8 and a GTR in my garage? That would be insane, bro. That's like my dream garage right there. So of course that's the goal. But like I said, the GTR prices right now are crazy. So it wouldn't be a bad idea to sell the GTR right now, make a bunch of profit, and then go get the R8. Would you do a Nismo body kit on the GTR? I like the Nismo rear bumper. You guys know that. I want to get the Nismo rear bumper. And then I don't think I would do the front end. I don't want to convert it to a Nismo. I feel like it's kind of ricey, but the rear bumper stick, it looks more aggressive than the stock one. If you can only own one car for the rest of your life, what would it be? I'm sure a lot of you guys already know this. Comment down below if you know me well. I would have an Aventador SVJ, bro. That's my dream car. I love it. I love how it sounds. It's probably not the fastest car out there, but like, bro, the sound, you cannot beat it. And the look, it just looks insane, bro. So a Lamborghini SVJ. Could you do a meet and greet? We're doing it on Sunday, bro. Sunday, March 27th at 12 p.m. in Azusa. When are you gonna upgrade the turbos for the GTR? Like I said, guys, we got a lot of stuff to do for all my cars. It's hard having 3 project cars now. I really do want to do the turbos though, you guys know that. But first I gotta get tires for that car, and I also gotta wrap it. Bro, it sounds fucking perfect, dude. I love this exhaust. Most expensive car part? What's the most I've spent on a car part? I mean, that whole E46 build was one big ass part. I had to build it from scratch, the engine. That was expensive. Other than that, probably the GTR wheels. GTR wheels were like 3 grand. And then the tire setup was another 2 grand. So it's like $5,000 setup just to have wheels and tires on that car. There's a 350Z behind me. Out of all the cars you've had, what's your favorite? My favorite is hard to pick, guys. You guys know the GTR was always my dream car. E92 was my first car, so that was probably one of my favorites too. But the E46 has to be probably my funnest car, I would have to say. Because it's very hard to choose, guys. I don't know which one's my favorite. I would have to say the E46, maybe just because of how much work was put into that car. That car is insane, bro. Like, you'll always find another GTR on the street or another E92, but you'll never find an E46 like that ever again. So probably the E46, bro. Will you get another E36 M3 soon? I don't know about soon. Those prices are expensive right now too, bro. I should have kept mine. Oh, I should have kept mine. I'll never find one for that cheap again in that condition. What's your goal for this year? My goal for this year is just to have a business succeed, bro. Like, I've invested in a few businesses and lost a lot of money, bro, a lot of friends, but honestly just be more successful. That's pretty much it. Oh my God, there's a cop right here, bro. Oh, I hope this cop doesn't pull out right now. Or maybe it's the same cop from earlier. I hope. Yeah, I think we're good. What has been your favorite memory in the GTR? My favorite memory? Probably giving my mom a ride in the GTR. That was probably one of my favorite videos I made. Of course, it's because of my mom. And just seeing her reaction in it, bro. Like, she was so scared, and it was just a funny video. I love that video. How do you become successful in the YouTube career, especially if you are a car filmer? It's hard, bro. I'm not gonna lie, YouTube is very competitive now. There's a lot of YouTubers out there doing it. You just gotta be consistent, bro. That's the main thing, because if you're not consistent, I remember hearing this from, it's funny, Ninja, the gaming guy. But he was saying it himself, like, if you're not consistent, there's so many people on YouTube, and people are gonna forget, bro. They can go to another YouTuber and just get hooked on someone else. So you gotta stay consistent so that they don't forget about you. You know what I'm trying to say? Same with me. I gotta get way more consistent for you guys and post more videos. But I mean, that's the biggest thing. Just stay consistent, guys. And also, don't think about the money, guys. I feel like when you start thinking about YouTube money, you start getting unmotivated. So you just gotta do it for fun and do it because you enjoy it. So just, my freaking GoPro died, like always. I don't know why it's dying so much, and it's hot, bro. Like, this shit is burning. But anyways, I'm just gonna end the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you everyone who asked me some questions on Instagram. I think that was fun to do. And also, go down below, comment some questions you guys have that I didn't answer, and I can answer some of the questions in the comments down below. Again, we are doing a huge sale on my website at shopfindingnick.com. If you guys want to cop some of the merch, it's 25% off if you use code GTR at checkout. GTR, that's the checkout. And like I said, I'm gonna make the shirts very cheap for you guys, so you guys can get an even bigger discount. I'll throw on a free sticker for all the first orders that I get. All I want for my birthday is for you guys to cop some of the merch. So go cop some. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a little bit of just a chill vlog. Smash the like button for me, subscribe to your boy if you are not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.